Russian fiber-optic drones target Ukrainian truck near Kostantenefka. In the direction of Kostantenefka, a Ukrainian truck carrying soldiers was moving across open terrain when it came under drone activity. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone first engaged the vehicle from the front, forcing it to stop. Following the initial impact, soldiers began dismounting and moving away from the truck. At that moment, a second Russian drone was already observing the area from above, tracking their movements. The soldiers then headed toward a nearby forest in an attempt to find cover. Shortly after, a third Russian drone arrived on scene, continuing to monitor and record the situation after the initial strike. A Russian drone was positioned in ambush and suddenly began observing a group of Ukrainian soldiers. The troops appeared visibly surprised, reacting to the unexpected aerial presence and the sudden shift in the situation. A Russian attack drone spotted a Ukrainian ground-based UAV during a reconnaissance mission. As the drone closed in on the UAV, it detected 3 Ukrainian soldiers hiding nearby. The soldiers noticed the Russian drone, triggering a brief pursuit. A joint operation conducted by the Southern Group's artillery and drone operators resulted in the neutralization of an enemy temporary staging area in the direction of Konstantin. The structure where Ukrainian personnel were positioned was destroyed before they could relocate to other buildings. Russian drone targets Ukrainian armored vehicle near Kolomytsi. Near the village of Kolomytsi, a Ukrainian armored vehicle was moving when it came under the impact of a Russian drone. At the time, Ukrainian soldiers were inside the vehicle as the drone engaged and continued observing the situation from above. New strikes were reported in Sloviansk, with multiple sites impacted during the operation. Among them, the Ukraine hotel was hit, with claims that it had been hosting foreign specialists. Additional strikes targeted locations associated with Ukrainian forces, indicating continued pressure on infrastructure and support facilities in the area. Chasivar, aerial reconnaissance by the Sev Brigade identified a shelter housing a Ukrainian field command center. The opposing forces had installed a generator, camouflaged within a nearby ruined building, to supply power to the shelter. The approach was protected by an electronic warfare (EW) system, complicating neutralization with standard FPV UAVs. Russian brigade operators initiated strikes using drop systems and fiber-optic UAVs, successfully destroying the generator and disabling the EW system. FPV UAVs then completed the neutralization of the position. Russian FPV drones disable Ukrainian vehicles in Shevchenko, Doberilia district. In Shevchenko, Doberilia district, Donetsk region, Russian FPV drones carried out a series of strikes against Ukrainian vehicles operating in the area. Earlier drone activity had already targeted multiple vehicles, with the entire sequence recorded from the air. During the operation, one drone tracked a Ukrainian pickup truck that had been parked and abandoned by soldiers due to the high threat level in the area. Subsequently, Russian FPV drones disabled a Ukrainian BMP-1 TS infantry fighting vehicle along with several other vehicles, demonstrating continued aerial surveillance and follow-up strikes against exposed equipment. On the Kupiansk axis, Kiev forces continue pushing toward the outskirts in an effort to secure a foothold and generate media wins, committing both personnel and armored assets to the advance. Activity in this sector shows increased use of APCs, armored vehicles, and light transport as they attempt to break through. During one of these attacks, an M113 APC and a Humvee were destroyed by FPV drone operators, with a pickup truck also taken out, while on the Karkov axis an enemy ATV was completely burned. The sequence highlights the growing intensity of armored movements and the expanding role of unmanned systems in countering them. The daily infantry search operation continues. Enemy soldiers on the front line were observed by Russian FPV drones. Their movements were carefully tracked throughout the area. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. On another section of the front line, a Ukrainian infantryman was identified by a Russian FPV drone while moving alone. In the Kostantenefka direction, a fiber-optic guided FPV drone operated by Russia's South Group was used to engage Ukrainian infantry positioned along a forest belt. On the southern outskirts of the village of Mercilessly in the Sumy Oblast, an FPV operator from the Siver Group identified an opposing SUV and struck the vehicle with a precision strike using a fiber-optic guided drone. Don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments. Subscribe and like. The March 29th release brings another set of striking visuals from Russian drone operators, showcasing 3 distinct fronts of activity. In the Krasny Lyman direction, the Hyperion team continues its methodical work, using reconnaissance and precision strikes to pressure opposing positions. The compilation then shifts to a large sequence from the strike unit Irish, whose operators conduct coordinated attacks on equipment and forward elements along the Pokrovsk-Mirnograd axis, emphasizing the intensity and tempo of operations in that sector. The footage concludes with material from Operational Group West near Kupansk, where drone teams document ongoing engagements and the evolving tactical landscape. Together, the series presents a broad look at unmanned operations across multiple directions, highlighting coordination, adaptation, and the expanding role of drone units in shaping the frontline environment.